Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see how do you enable the webgl 2.0 on Google Chrome. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, just open the Google Chrome app. And from here, just click on these three dots on the right hand corner. And once you're in here, just click on the settings right at the bottom. Now under the settings, we want to click on appearance. That's right here. Now under here, we need to click on the system. That's right here on the left hand corner. And from here, just make sure that use graphics acceleration when available should be enabled. Now after that, just cross that. And here we need to write something. We need to write here Chrome. Just make sure to put a colon sign, // and then write here flags. Hit enter. And it will take you to this experiments tab, where in the search flags, we need to write webgl. And here we see two things, webgl draft extensions and webgl developer extensions. We need to enable both of these in order to make this work, and click on relaunch. And after that, just click on relaunch and you should be closed out of here. If you need to restart your computer, just restart it once in order to make this work. And that should be it. This is a pretty straightforward process here guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.